is great.
So like I was saying, I have some friends, James Longstreet, George Pickett, Robert E. Lee. We all met in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. We had a fine time there. So anyway, they came out to Montana to help me raise buffalo.
Hmm. Okay,
Could you explain what you're doing? I don't quite understand here.
just check. I was just trying to diagnose this computer for you, and you have a lot of issues going on. Just check the numbers of issues, and these are the errors and warnings on your computer. These are the numbers of problems you have on it. Your information is not protected as well, okay, as because your home network has been breached, okay?
That doesn't look very good. Look at all those errors. My goodness.
I beg your pardon.
I said that doesn't look very good. It has a lot of errors. Maybe it's
Yes,
time to
not
maybe it's
a
time to get rid
lot
of
of.
this computer, huh?
See, this computer, it works uh, not that slow. If you want, you can keep this, but the thing is, you need to take care of it because this is a machine, okay? So it gonna need some sort of like maintenance, clean up, and the tune-up service done on it, right? And the
Yep.
repair service as well. Because you
Okay.
see, the computer services are turned stopped. Most of them, these are completely messed, and these needs to be repaired. Most of them, okay?
Okay, you go for it.
You,
Let's get them repaired then.
yeah. So it will gonna take somewhere around like 50 to 60 minutes for us to fix everything on your computer, okay? To work on it, clean this computer from all the unwanted things, repair your computer services, repair the errors and the warnings on it, okay? Tune up this computer to make sure the speed and the performance it is increased, okay, enhanced, and we will gonna provide you the best compatible antivirus software installed on this computer as well. So I need to get yourself enrolled for the services, and there will be a one-time charge, and you will gonna get future help and support as well included in the same.
Okay. Unless it's too
All
much
right.
money.
So I'm sorry.
Well, it depends how much it costs.
See, let me write that down, and then you can see it. Okay, what's the difference? I'm giving you discounted prices. All right, the plans and the offers as you are a senior citizen. Okay, so it's up to you now which one you want to go with.
Okay. I'm waiting.
Sure.
So what do I have to do if I last a year? Do I have to renew
I'm
this?
sorry.
Well, what happens if it says it's just for a year. What if I want, at the end of the year, I want to get another year?
Like after a year, if you want to keep the services, you want to renew it. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
So you need to renew it manually. You can call us up. I will give you the numbers All right,
Okay.
and even you can email us so that we'll give you a call and we'll get it done again. Okay,
Okay.
and you have those options as well. I'm gonna type it down and then you can see. Okay, and then you can decide which one you wanna go with.
Okay.
Yeah, because this computer, if you talk about it, is working fine, and if you want to keep it, you can keep it, and you do not need to like purchase a new computer. Okay,
Okay. What's in that care pack?
I'm gonna write that down as well for you. Okay,
Okay.
like what that is.
You could save yourself a lot of time if you just typed all this stuff ahead of time. I'm sure you have other customers, and then just pasted it in. That'd be a lot easier, it seems to me.
See, we yes, we do. We
Then you
do
wouldn't have
have
to
a lot of
retype it all the
customers.
time.
I'm sorry. I believe you're not aware. You're not sure like what all these things are, right?
I have no idea. It sounds like you're working on a car.
Yeah, it is just like that. I was about to give you that example because if you have a car, right, that is also a machine, and if you want to make sure of it, like it works fine every time, okay? It never broke down when you're in middle of somewhere, so you get it serviced, right, every once in a while to make sure of that.
Yeah, we work on our tractors. We don't. We got a couple of trucks and
Hmm.
about 5 tractors and stuff like that. So what's the difference between the one-time maintenance work and the maintenance care package?
The one-time maintenance work means the work, the services, it will just gonna be for today, all right? Not any future help and support. And apart from that, a year of security program, a paid one, will be installed on your computer. And the 1 year of maintenance care pack means today we will gonna work on the computer, and in future you're gonna need any help and support, any assistance on this computer. That can be with any technical related problems or any software related issues, all right, including your printer issues, your email issues, all right, or anything with your scanner, if you want to download something from the internet, you want to remove something, right, from the computer and you're not sure about it, what you're doing. So you can ask for help and support in those cases from our end, and we're going to take care of all the things within 1 year free of cost. All right. Apart from that, every 45 to 60 days, you can call us up and get your computer checked, get it like repaired and provide will provide you the cleanup service on the routine basis, the way you get your car checked, all right, the way you perform the services on your car just to make sure the status of the car, right, in order to make sure of it, it never broke down on you. You make sure of your computer as well, so you can keep it, and you're not gonna end up facing any problems. So that is the tier of services, the care package.
Okay. It looks like the 250 is the best deal. Although the 2 years looks, yeah, let's go with the 2 year.
Just a moment, I'm gonna type that down for you, okay?
Type what down for me?
I'm typing it, still typing it for you, sir, so you can
Okay.
get all the things, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So these options you have, all right. Apart from that, I'm gonna put it down for you.
No, I don't want the 3 year anyway.
You do not want the 3 years?
Nah, I probably won't be around in 3 years.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna wipe these two out. So you want to keep and go with 2 years of the services, with 2 years of the security program, right?
Yep. Yeah, let's do that.
This one, this highlighted one.
Yep.
Okay. So do make sure what is maintenance care pack. I already typed it for you. Under the maintenance care pack comes the cleanup service that makes sure all the mess on the computer, right, will be gone from every sector. And all this work, all the services will be provided to you from a certified technician, okay, from the Microsoft. And tune-up services will gonna be there that will gonna enhance the speed and the performance. The repair services will gonna be there that will gonna repair your computer services, those errors and warnings that I showed you. The removal of the unwanted programs means all the unwanted things, including like the tracking, spyware programs, adverse browser hijackers. All right, everything will be completely gone. Your information will be protected. We need to fix the computer services, fix the errors and warnings that you have right now, and the installation of antivirus protection. Okay.
Wouldn't it be simpler just to install Windows 11 on the computer? I mean, that would be nice. Go out and buy a copy of Windows 11. Wouldn't that clean up everything?
Let me just check the configuration. It's an Intel R Core TM-i5. So let me just check it, okay? If you can get uh, upgraded Windows, all right, like your operating system on it, okay?
Okay.
Uh, that is something I need to check with the technician, okay?
Sure.
Possibly you can get, possibly like you can check uh, check it and get it done for like Windows 10.
Okay. Now what? You still there?
Yes. Okay. So I do have your name with me. Okay, I'm gonna check it. Do you see that you have provided? You, and you have provided me your email address as well. Hello?
I'm here.
Yeah. So I do have your phone number. Can you provide me your phone number from your end?
815-627-0754.
And can you type your complete billing address, including street, city, state, and zip code?
Sure.
Just wait. So what's the street address?
That's the postal address. We don't have a street. We live way out in the country on a ranch, okay? I got 5,000 acres. And what the post office does, where do you live anyway? You're not familiar with rural routes. Where do you live?
Yeah, basically I'm from India. I'm in US right now, but I'm from India.
Oh, well, if you'd lived in the U.S. for any amount of time, you'd know that the post office in rural
Yes.
areas has what they call
Yeah,
rural routes, okay?
I'm
And so you've got
yeah, I'm
you might only have 7 or 8
uh-huh.
customers on rural Route 1, but
Uh-huh.
because the distances are so long, I mean, 5,000 acres, that's a fair amount of land, and my neighbor's got 15,000 acres. We're both on rural Route 1, but the postman knows Ulysses S. Grant and James Longstreet and George Pickett and all my other hired hands all have this are located on rural Route 1. So that's what they do. That's what the post office does.
Okay.
It's at the
So can you
intersection.
help me?
Yeah.
Let me know how do you like to pay for it? Are you gonna pay using your credit card or are you gonna pay using your debit card?
Well, I'd prefer to send you a check.
Uh, See, this is something you need to pay using your credit or debit card.
Okay, I can do that too.
So which one you're gonna use?
It's a MasterCard.
Is it a credit or it's a debit?
Hell, I don't know. I go to the store and they take it. So I guess it's a credit card.
Okay. Okay, just wait for a while and just for a moment in order to confirm all the things, I'm gonna invite one of the billing officer, right, billing expert, and he'll gonna confirm it. Then you can provide me the information. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Just it. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Is this Ulysses I'm talking with?
That's right.
May I have your last name?
Grant.
What's that?
Grant. Don't you guys talk to each other there?
Okay. What's that?
Never mind.
Yes, Ulysses. What's your middle name?
Simpson.
Simpson.
Yeah.
And may I know where you are located?
It says right on the form, if you're looking at the screen, it's right there. Rural Route 1, Box Elder, Montana, 59521. It's very close to the intersection of Montana Highway 448 and Highway 366. But the post office wants the rural route.
Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, Ulysses, can you please type in your card number by which you want to make this amount?
Sure, let me get it out of my wallet here just a second. Okay, let's see. 5106 5174 7997 2742. Now what? Oh, do I need the spaces in there?
Else.
Expiration and CVV code.
Else.
Hey,
Oh.
Tasha! Pill time!
Else.
I'm sorry, now go ahead. What? Had to take care of some medication.
You can type in the expiration date and the 3-digit code on the back.
Sure.
All right, just Ulysses, just stay with me, okay? Let me process.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay.
At least until I have to get the buffalo in. In fact, we got a big problem today. We got some fences that are down. So I may have to cut out here pretty soon. Saddle up the horses and go take care of the buffalo. But anyway, go ahead.
Okay.
You still there? Hey James,
Yes,
go get the James, go get the guns out of the get the 30-30, the 30-06 and get them out of the cabinet, would you? I'm sorry, I was talking to James Longstreet here. He's one of my hired men.
I'm sorry?
I had to ask one of my hired men to get some guns out of the cabinet because we got to get out there and we got some varmints that are attacking the cattle.
Okay, Ulysses, the name on the card that you have given me, is it under your name, Ulysses S. Grant?
Yeah, it's under my name, but I should have told you this ahead of time. My Karen, my niece, who set this up, she worries about me spending money sometimes. So she has to sign off on all credit card purchases. That's why I wanted to write a check.
She's,
It'd be so much easier to write you guys a check. So that'd be really, if you give me your address, I can mail you a check.
see, the check, it will gonna take many days, all right? Somewhere around like a couple of weeks. And once we get the payment, then we can proceed further, provide you the services. So this is something gonna take time, and that's why we do not accept the payment from the check. We only accept the payments from the credit or like the debit card from our customers.
Okay, well you can call my niece. I can give her phone number. You can call her up and she can authorize the payment.
Can you check with her? Can you check with her while staying with me on the phone that you're paying this amount? Like, is she is the one like who is authorized person of this card? The name on the card and all the things.
I can't do it while I'm on the phone with you, obviously. I mean, I can't do that.
The name, Ulysses, the name on this credit card, what's the name on it?
Ulysses S. Grant.
So why you need to ask your niece about it?
Because that's the way she set it up with the bank. That's, you see, how old are you?
Okay, all right, I got it.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
gonna check
70.
this.
I'm 75 years old, and when you get to my age, if you got any kids at all, they don't trust you the way you spend money. That's not very nice, but that's the way it is. And I'm sitting here on 5,000 acres with my good friends Thomas Jackson and Robert E. Lee and James Longstreet. I think I told your other guy we all met at Gettysburg. But anyway, they're good friends of mine, and we're all getting kind of old. And so she set it up so that when any of us want to use the credit card, she's got to sign off on it. I can send you a check. She hasn't cut me off from writing checks yet.
Okay, just wait, Ulysses. Just wait. All right, just stay over the phone, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna have to go here in a couple minutes because I got chores to do.
Sure.
We gotta move some of the buffalo up into the Sierras up there. You know, it's where the grass is a little greener. We haven't had much rain, so I got to get them up on the hillsides of the mountains where there's more grass. That damn bastards too. They just really hard on the fences. Those guys. If you know anything about buffalo, you know that they're hard on fences. But they make good hamburgers.
Okay, just
We call them buffalo
wait.
burgers out here. Really, very
Okay.
good stuff. And if you've never had a buffalo steak, man, you are really missing something. You can order them if you want.
so
There's a
buffalo steak.
local store around here that sells buffalo steak. Anyway, I'm sorry, I'm interrupting. I can't stop talking. So go ahead.
Okay, just wait.
You got an email address? I could send you guys. I could have Karen send you a authorization form.
So you want to send us some sort of form for what?
I wouldn't do it. She could do it. Wouldn't take very long, but you'd have to give me your email address, and I could. When we get off the phone here, I can call her up and give her the email address. Listen, I'm going to have to go here. I got chores to do.
Okay.
But
It's gonna take 12 minutes.
I appreciate your help, and I do appreciate it, and I know I got to do something about this computer. And $350, that's not a bad deal, but you know, I'll look around. Maybe I should just buy a new computer, for crying out loud. Seems to me that would fix all the problems. So anyway, I'm gonna head on out and get the horses saddled so we can get out there. And I don't want to forget my guns though, because damn, we got so many rattlesnakes. I don't know what to do about it anymore. But anyway, so I'm going to do that, and I appreciate your help. And I'm going to head on out up the hills. And thank you for all your help. Bye now.
Geez, Dad. Buffalo and...
Did you catch that? To the
Of course I did.
I met James Longstreet, Robert E. Lee at Gettysburg.
I was laughing.
Oh
I
God,
was laughing.
it's totally lost in these guys. What a shame.
But the